So this is the makeup stuff that I have: the powder, concealer, all that other shit that y'all use. Yep. This is my cousin. I am currently doing her makeup. I already put the concealer. I'm about to go in and mix it up. So enjoy the video. If you want more on your face, you let me know. I'll put more.
Just make sure everything's like
Covered.
concealed. Yeah.
Did that nose ring hurt?
No.
I even got eyeshadow if you want some. I got the whole 9 yards.
Sure.
You don't even need that much actually, because you look good. Which is good. Your face ain't even that bad. I think that little bit of pool is enough. Let me just put powder now. You don't even got much to cover. This is the powder. I don't know the name of it, but this is it. The 310. That's my color. It's my color. I'm white as fuck. When you white as fuck.
That's true.
I'm about to make some video for you. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you guys would like a makeup tutorial, I can definitely try. I mean, I don't really do makeup like that, but I don't mind doing a tutorial for y'all. This is like a pre-tutorial, and you tell me what y'all think. And if y'all trying to see some more, just get some attention off of that. You just got your brows done, you know what I'm saying? Your eyebrows look good. Alright, I'm gonna show you what it look like just to make sure that you like it like that. So far. Good? Not too much? You want a little more somewhere?
Like on these
Pimples?
Yeah.
Let me put some more of this then. Just to cover that up, because it ain't gonna cover with the powder. Maybe because I'm lighter than you? Right?
Maybe.
I am very light. Ooh, that covered it up nice. You just gotta put a little more to cover them up. I never really put makeup to cover up anything. There was this one time I did, but I don't usually do that. If you want to say anything to the channel, you can.
Add me on Snap.
Tell me your snap so that we can add you.
It's Sylvia29. SSXLVIA29. I spelled it differently, so that's why it doesn't really sound like my name.
You want this or no? What's that? Eyeshadow.
You got any other ones? Yeah, probably this one. That like pinkish.
Gotcha. I'm trying to think how the fuck you gonna put it on.
I got mad makeup eyeliners.
No, I'm gonna just use my hand because that shit look dirty. I don't want to put that on. Which one you say you want?
This one.
Yeah, you don't always need that shit to. You don't need that shit. You just use your hand. I'm about to show niggas how to do shit with their hand. You don't always need a freaking brush, right? I'm glad you're awake. Alright. Looking good. What else you want?
No, but she got makeup on.
That's good though. That means she look natural. So you want lipstick now, right? Where the lipstick at? What is this? That's like lipstick, I think.
I thought that was the thing that be going in the corner of your eyes.
I think you could use that for that too. This is a all-purpose one. It's not just for your lips. Yeah, see, this is for anything. Well, you want something in your eye, like right there, the corner?
Yeah.
I got you, bro. Let me do your lipstick for you. I already got it open. Let me see what color this is. This is from the Avon F102. The Berry Glitz. Glitz. In case you're wondering. I like putting that lipstick.
That's a pretty color.
I know. Oh yeah, where you going?
There's no
You
more.
gotta mix it. Ain't no niggas coming. You don't need no niggas, right?
You got yourself.
Yup. Thank you very much.
Look good for yourself, boy. You better do like that.
Yo, I did her hair. You did her makeup.
What's next? Picking out your outfit.
Yup.
Imagine.
You don't fit none of my clothes.
Facts.
All right, close it. I'm just gonna put a little dot, cause I never really did this part. Is it even? There we go. I had to like actually dab this shit. Damn, it actually looks good. Damn. Look at that.
Yeah, it looks
You like it? Alright, so I think we done, right? Or do you want eyeliner? You want eyeliner?
Unless you know how to fix eyebrows with eyeliner.
I have an eyebrow thing actually.
Do you have like a brush to pick up the eyelashes?
Pick up eyelashes? Like this?
Yeah, like that.
Yeah. Oh, you talking about like mascara kind of thing? This ain't mascara, this shit.
Don't we have mascara inside the closet?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about though.
Yeah, but this is empty though, it's dry. I'm sure. Just pick them up. I know what you mean though. I hope your eyelash don't fall off. Does that ever happen to you? You're in the middle of like fixing them and then it just fucking falls out?
Yes.
You look on fleek. Who the hell you about to go see? So that's it, right? You say you don't want no eyeliner.
Just for the eyebrows.
Just for the eyebrows? Let me see, I got like a brown color here. And you got too many to choose from. I do have a specific brush for this. Don't know where the hell it's at right now. I think this is the brown one. It looks the lightest. I never really did eyebrows with this, but it's always good to start somewhere. Right? Yeah, this is like a brown. I'm just gonna fill it in lightly because I don't want to OD and then get shit looking crazy. So, just to make them look darker, right? And then I'm gonna see if I can use something to brush them. I do have something. I don't know where it's at. I'm glad nobody came in and ruined the
Shot,
video.
no one came in.
That's good, cause now they would have ruined this shit. I'm gonna use that same clear thing just to brush it. I have a thing for it, but I don't know where the fuck is that. I ain't trying to go get it. Oh god, I actually got gel in your eye. I'm sorry. Makeup tutorial gone wrong. Imagine. That shit actually look good. Smear that up on there. I'm gonna show you just in case you don't like it. Definitely take it off real quick.
Looks nice.
For real? It's my first time doing makeup for somebody else. Well, I did it on grandma, but it wasn't like that much makeup. It was like a touch up.
For Guido's skin tone, I recommend like for your lips. I don't know. I wouldn't see as a pink. So.
But it look nice
You
on
look
me.
good, nice though.
Shit, you look better than me.
No.
I like to be full natural, but
Nah, but you look like it's not OD makeup.
It don't
like,
even look like you have makeup on.
Exactly. That's why I didn't put that much. It's
What
like
is
an
that?
extra sparkle in the eyes. You know, to give it a little glare. Just a little bit, not that much. I bought this in the Dollar Tree like mad years ago. Cartier bought it. It was for a Halloween event. Let me see. They probably still got this. What's it called? I don't even know what the hell it's called. It just says NYC on it. It's one of those NYC products. Yep, from the Dollar Tree. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the final looks again. This is my cousin. If y'all like this mini tutorial, let me know. I could try to do another one, a more better explicit one with more details. And this is again the makeup that I have, this little bit of stuff. I do have a lot of lipsticks. Let me just show y'all real quick my lipstick collection. When I mean a lot, I mean I got a lot. So if you guys want me to do you know, go over what I got, I could do that too. You know, I do love lipstick. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And enjoy your day. Later. Hey guys, so I'm going to be using this eyeliner. I just want to show you guys how I apply it. You could come in, you know, while I'm doing it. Yeah, this thing taking from that long to just draw. It's been that long since I've worn this one. It's like still new, as you can see, and I had this one for a while. I mainly do the black one, that's why. I think I got this at a Walgreens. They sell these at Walgreens. Or like a Walmart, one of the two. I'm pretty sure it was Walgreens. You know, I need those drugstores. So that's my blue eyeliner. Just apply a little more. It's taking me long to draw, which I hate. That's how it looks. And I got the matching blue lipstick. This one I got from 99 Cents store. You know, it's cheap ones. It ain't gotta be all special to look good. My lips looking chapped. I look crazy. How does it look? Good. There we go. And then I got my pink nails done. Alright, so thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Later.